Next is the ceiling speaker. Ceiling speaker is the device which makes the noise in case of fire. When there is a fire alarm panel with public addressable system, this fire alarm and public addressable panel gives the voice command to the ceiling speaker, and then ceiling speaker gives the message to the public when there is a panic area. So that we need to install the ceiling speaker on each 6-meter distance. So I will start from here. This is the speaker on each 6-meter distance. Let us try to keep a distance between two speakers that is 6 meter. So I have started from here and keep the 6-meter distance. If it is overcoming or it is overlapping each other, then try to keep the aside. So I'm trying to keep the speakers like this and try to maintain the 6 meter like this. If it is overlapping, then make sure that the speaker, smoke detectors, and heat detectors are not overlapping on each other. So I'm trying to keep the 6-meter distance, and for that, I will try to maintain 6-meter distance for the speakers. So speakers, smoke detectors, and heat detectors I have placed in the open area. Like this. 6-meter distance. So here I will put the speakers on each and every area like this. In each cabin, there is a requirement of speakers, as well as heat detectors and the smoke detectors. So I have tried to keep the speakers, smoke detectors, and heat detectors accordingly. Make sure that heat detectors, smoke detectors, and the speakers looks good as per aesthetically. Try to mention the speakers into each room. Try to maintain the distance. If there is no heat detectors, try to mention the heat detectors and the smoke detectors and the speakers into each cabin. Try to reflect each apparatus into each cabin, whether it is small cabin, big cabin. Try to maintain the distance and try to install each and every apparatus into the area. See that I'm putting the speakers like this on each 6-meter distance. If it is not coming into the 6-meter distance, try to maintain the distance, but if the distance is not maintaining, it is okay to keep the speakers like this.
Good.
Try to cover up the 6-meter like this. try to maintain the speakers, ceiling speakers, on every 6-meter distance. So this is what I have covered up all the areas. Like this. For the speakers, try to keep it aesthetically. If any area missing, try to keep the smoke detectors on each and every area so that at least the message or the command is also going by the speaker. The voice command must be reached to each and every area. Be assured that each area must has the speakers, try to edges like this. Be assured about the distance. So, I have kept according to distance, like this. So, this is what we need to do with the speakers, smoke detectors, and heat detectors. Be assured that each area you must install the smoke detectors, heat detectors, and the speakers. So I am keeping the smoke detectors, heat detectors on each area, into each area. Do not miss any area, so that every area must be protected well from the fire. Here it is, the compressor room.
And
Here it is, one compressor room. So keep each and every apparatus into every room, other than the sensible areas like server room, electrical room, MV panel room. So I have kept each and every devices into the cabin. Be sure that each apparatus or the device must be installed in each cabin. If there is any missing out, so we will cover up later on.